And I was like, I don't want these lights. I need these lights. Hey, what's up everybody? I've been seeing this trend to where everybody's been decorating their walls with these neon rope looking lights. It's been all over my Pinterest feed, my Instagram feed. It's to the point to where I even noticed that my brother had decorated his apartment with these same lights. And I found some. The lights that I actually found are LIFX's neon flex lights. Let's get into it. I actually own a lot of LIFX's products. As you can see on my bookshelf over there, I have a light strip. I've got a light strip behind my TV, bunch of light bulbs, just all spread throughout my home. But I did not know that they had this neon flex until recently. The only place you can get these lights are at Home Depot. I'm not too sure why. You can either order it on their website, or if you're like me and you love instant gratification, you can just drive to the store and pick them up really quick. So that's what I did, just straight to the store and back, picked them up, and I was just very excited and eager to unbox this product. When it comes to unboxing this product, it was very simple. You have your lights kind of wrapped up on the inside. Then you have your power supply and your receiver, which is kind of how you communicate with your lights through your phone or whatever. And then you have your mounting equipment. So you've got the mounts themselves, comes with nails and even some double-sided tape. When it comes to creating whatever design you're going to create on your wall, you kind of need to be mindful that this set does only come with 12 mounts. So there is no sticky adhesive alongst the entire back side of the Neon Flex. So it's a little bit different than the actual LIFX strips, because behind them you actually do have, the entire thing actually is sticky on the back side. These aren't like that. What I decided to do is whenever I took everything off of my wall, I just kind of left the nails in the wall that were already pre-existingly up there. And then I took the mounts, there's like a little hole on the back side of the mounts, and just kind of like slid them on the nails. And I was like, whatever design I can make with these nails in the wall is what's going to be up on the wall. It took me some time. The first couple of designs that I did came out a little weird and wonky. Okay, it's up. Cool. It looks ridiculous. But eventually I was able to come up with a design, so you still can't see it. This one, oh my god, I did legs yesterday. So this design, which I'm very happy with, it's very abstract. I dig it. After you have mounted your lights to the wall, you also need to make sure that you go through the entire process of actually setting up your lights, which are done actually on the LIFX app. So in order to do that, it's very simple. Just in the bottom right corner, you'll see a little plus button. You click on that, and then you will click on the very first selection that says new product, and then you click on new light, and then just kind of like follow the steps after that. It's very simple. You gotta come up with a name for the lights, put them in a group if you want to do that. Very easy. There are a decent amount of ways you can actually go about changing the colors of these lights. So let's say, for instance, if I want to just isolate, of course, the lights that I just installed. We're gonna go back into the LIFX app, of course. We're gonna select on our new light. You have this color wheel, so basically you can get whatever color you're wanting, from red, orange, blue, green, whatever. You can change the saturation, so if you want it super duper pigmented, or say if you want something a little bit more muted but you still want that color that you're looking for, then of course you're able to do that. There's also a way to actually change not only just individual lights, but an entire group of lights. So say if I wanted to change all the lights that are in my actual living room, all I have to do is click on the group, which I have labeled living room, ironically, and then kind of do the same thing. You're brought to the wheel, and as I go around the wheel, the colors are going to change in this entire room now instead of just on one light, which is really cool. You can still change the brightness of all the lights together from 1% all the way up to 100%, and it just works very smoothly. Same thing goes for the white. So if I want like a really bright, kind of like sterile white, don't this look just so clean? Wow. It just looks so clean. Like my couch looks so white with these lights. Absolutely love it. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more kind of incandescent, you know, kind of like a little bit more of a calm, relaxing light, they've got that as well. There are a lot of different pre-built themes already on this app, which I counted. And I'm not sure if I counted right. I may have either added some by accident or left some off by accident, but I counted 179 different themes on this app, which is wild to me. So just to kind of go over some of them, let's say if we wanted to do the one that says Garage Rock. Of course, it's going to change everything simultaneously. You can't see the whole thing, but very cool. They've got different art series. So they've got this one, which is the Monet, which is absolutely one of my favorite ones because I love the Monet painting. And it really does just give you the sense of like lily pads on a river in springtime. You know, it's just very like, I don't know, it's cute. Then it gets into different moods, holidays. If you're into sports like football, so say if your favorite team is the Green Bay Packers, because I know the name of their team. That's the only team that I really know. Then bam, I don't know if this is actually the colors for the Green Bay Packers. I'm honestly not too sure, so somebody please let me know. Got the Dallas Cowboys. I do know that these are the right colors. If you have a favorite team and you're wanting to like flex on your friends or your family or just like really represent your team, you can change your entire house to be one theme if you want to. And it's just very interesting. So different type of sports, again, basketball, there's hockey. They've got this fantasy one, which is very cute. Kind of looks like the other theme I had up there earlier. This one, which is supposed to be forest, winter wonderland, you know, snowflake. They just have a lot of different things to actually choose from, and it's, I don't know, it just makes it fun. If there is a group that you really aren't feeling, so say if, I don't really know too much about basketball and I don't think I like any of those colors, you could just hide it so you don't see them. And I don't know, I just think it's very interesting on how customizable the actual app is and how you can actually customize your light. They thought of everything. But speaking of customization, my absolute favorite thing is the ability to create your own theme. All you have to do is go over to the paint section and you can really change this up however you're really wanting to. So I will say they have just recently changed up this tab. So this is actually a completely remodified version of the painting tab. I'm still trying to master it. I've been messing around with it a little bit, so I'm not gonna go over everything because that's gonna be on a separate video. But just to kind of give you like a little glimpse of how it actually works. Let's say if I wasn't really feeling the blue going around that section, all I have to do is go over to the paint, go over and kind of select the colors that I'm wanting to change, and then bam. Now I've got those lights all red. So you can really get very advanced with this. You can kind of have the colors to kind of blend out so the lines aren't so harsh. I did it backwards, but you can have so much fun with this. I have spent so much time in the painting section of this app. After you've created a theme, if you do really like it, you actually do have the ability of saving it. And after you save it, it's actually going to be saved on a dashboard to where you can always come back to it and have those lights displayed again. Let's say if I want to put the colors back on that I had at the very beginning of this video, which I do have labeled as cotton candy. Bam, there we go. This is the theme that I had on earlier and it's still there. It's very cool. They actually do take this to another level and you can actually pair these up with a smart assistant. So whether you have Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or even HomePod, you're able to actually set it up to where you can use voice command to change the lights. Alexa, turn on Boy Ursula. Oh, sorry, hands are here. Boom, okay. So as you can see, now it's more of like a bluish green type of vibe. Absolutely love these lights. It's so much fun, it's addicting. Again, like I said, it just really helps to create a very cozy, calming environment for whatever mood that you're actually feeling or whatever event you might have going on. And honestly, when I tell you, I get so many compliments. Anytime I have friends or family come over, they're always telling me how they love my lights, they love the party tricks that I'm showing them. But it's just nice to know that other people actually enjoy the lights just as much as I do, because they're absolutely worth it. Hopefully this video was informative to you, and if it was, please let me know. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. I'll be more than happy to try to answer those for you. And other than that, I do appreciate y'all taking the time to watch my video. And yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and be on the lookout for more because there's more to come. But until then, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.